Hi everybody, this is Mike from Cappsure. I'm here to show you how to do a maintenance report very easily. So maintenance service reports, you select your properties, which are located right here within Cappsure. Each circle represents a property. I'm going to go ahead and select Eagle Rock Estates. So it's going to identify the very property that you're at. It'll be the one that's furthermost to the left. I'm going to go ahead and select Create a Maintenance Report, which is the lawnmower. So maintenance reports are great in showing customers or internal teams, management, what the crews did for services that day. It's real time and transparent. So I'm going to say while we're at the property, I'll slide the inventory across on my mobile app. I'm going to say we trim the shrubs at the property. I'll select the category trim shrubs and then the line item trim shrubs. And let's say we started trimming shrubs right on this street right here. Okay, and we trim shrubs, continue to do it down through the road here, and then right up through this way. So I touch different points on my mobile device to be able to draw lines. Then we remove weeds, and I'm select the category, click on that to remove weeds, and then I touch that, remove weeds. Then I go to the location where we remove weeds, and I could say we started right here, and then we went kind of north there, and you could draw any shape that you want. It's very easy for your crews to use. As you're using the device, you can go to the shopping cart, click on that, and you could take photos or notes of any services that you choose. Let's slide we're not going to take any now, but let's slide that back up. When you're all done and your crews are all done with that report, all they have to do is go to the thumbs up right there, click on that report, and that report is completed. It can be emailed right to clients, or it can come back to the office for review or for editing. So this is Mike Martinez. If you have any questions, go to www.cappsure.com. You can email us at info@cappsure.com. There are also instructional videos located on the red question mark on your app and in the back end of your system. All the instructional videos can be located there. Thanks again for joining. Bye.